now we'll discuss calendar. In a calendar, you already know 1 year is equal to 365 days, and if it is a leap year, then it will be 366. Fine. And 1 year is equal to 12 months. Fine. And accordingly, you will go for 1 week is equal to 7 days. Fine. So let's take up the first question, which is convert the following in months. So 3 years, 7 months, I have to convert into the months. 1 year is equal to 12 months, and 3 years will be 3 multiplied by 12 equal to 36 months. Fine. So 36, and this also given plus 7, so it will be 43 months. Fine. So we will do like this. Now the next one, convert the following into days. We have to convert into the days. Fine. Second question, 3 months, 7 days. Fine. So now if you take up this, we will take up 1 month is equal to 30 days. Fine. So 3 months is equal to 3 multiplied by 30 is equal to 90 days. And how many more days we have? 7. So it will be 90 plus 7, 97 days. This way we are going to calculate it. So first 3 months, 7 days. So 1 month equal to 30 days. 3 months equal to 3 multiplied by 30, 90 days. So 90 plus 7 is 97 days. The next ones, convert the following 42 days into the weeks. 42 days into weeks. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. Fine. So 42 days will be 42 divided by 7. It will be 6 weeks. It is just the reverse. Fine. So this is the A. Let's do the D one also. 72 months into years. Fine. So it will be 72. So every year has 12 months. So it will be 6 years. Fine. And the last thing in this chapter, time, that we are going to study is the time duration, the duration of time. The time spent from the start to the end of any activity. That means this is the time between starting and ending of any activity. We will have to calculate that time duration. Fine. For example, Sahil gets up 6 a.m. and leaves for the school at 7:30. In between, he gets ready for the school. So how much time does he may take to get ready for the school? So you will have to calculate the time from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Fine. So what we in order to find the time difference duration, you will just subtract these two time durations, like 7:30. This is 6. So if you will minus that, you will get 1 hour 30 minutes. Fine. So this way you can calculate the time duration. So let's take up our first question. Calculate the time duration from 9:15 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. in a day. Now first step in these kind of question is to convert them into 24 hours time zone. So it will be 1:40. That means this is p.m. So it will be plus 12. So 13:40 hours, and this will be am, so remain the same. So 0, 9, 15 hours. Now duration is the difference, so subtract them simply as you subtract. We have done it earlier. So it will be 10 and it will be 3. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So this is 4 hours 25 minutes. So your answer will be 4 hours and 25 minutes. Fine. So this is your answer, 4 hours and 25 minutes. Let's take up one more question. In this you have 3:35 am to 12 noon. So first you will have to convert them in 24-hour zone. So 12 noon will be 12:00 hours, and this 3:35 am, so there will be no change, so it will be 03:35 hours. Now subtract them, so you will get. Now the important thing we have already discussed, please check out the subtraction video. You cannot subtract 00 from 35 from 00. Fine. So what you will do, you will take 1 hour from there, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So instead of this 00, you have taken 1 hour from there. So here it will be 11 hours and here it will be 60 minutes. Fine. So now you can easily subtract. It will be 10 and here it will be 5. Fine. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now here it is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So your answer will be 8 hours 25 minutes. Fine. So while subtraction, take care of this thing. You cannot subtract a small time, smaller minutes from the larger ones. So you will have to convert hours into minutes before subtraction. Take up a question in which we have to calculate the number of days. When reached Delhi on 6th March and left on 15th April, how long did he stay in Delhi? So he reached on 6th March and left on 15th April. Fine, let's do it. So number of days for the March will be, in March you have 31 days and he reached on 6th. Fine. So 31 minus 6 will be 25 days. Fine. And then after, in April he returned on 15th. So there are 30th days minus 15 is equal to, it will be 15. Fine. So the answer will be 25 plus 15 is equal to 40 days. So what you have done, you have to calculate the number of days he stayed in March and then in April and then add both of them.